Hi kids, wishing you a bright happy day. Welcome to English class. Do you all like animals? Can you name this animal? Yes, it's a monkey. Today you will hear a story of a monkey. Name of the story is I Want. The story starts like this. I want to be big, says a little monkey. I want to be strong. A wise woman hears him. Take this magic wand, she says. So what happens? A wise woman hears the monkey and she says, take this magic wand. Magic wand means magic stick. And she continues, all your wishes can come true. She says that all your wishes will come true with this magic wand. Children, do you know what happened next? At that time, a giraffe comes by. He stretches his long neck. He eats the sweet leaves at the top of the trees. When the monkey saw this, he said, I want a long neck, says a little monkey. Pop! Suddenly a sound comes. Pop! His neck grows long, just like the giraffe's. Little monkey is happy. An elephant comes down to the river. After that, who came? Yes, an elephant comes down to the river. Monkey saw the elephant. He fills his trunk with water. He blows it all over himself. I want to do that too, says little monkey. When he saw the elephant taking water in its trunk and blowing it all around it, the monkey said he also want to do the same. Bang! Suddenly what happens? A sound comes. Bang! Just like that, he grows a trunk. Just like its wish, monkey gets a trunk. He is very happy. This is fun, he says. Then next, little monkey sees a zebra. When he sees a zebra, monkey says, I want strips like those. He says, whiz! Little monkey has strips all over his body, just like the zebra. Now children, can you tell me what type of a body does the monkey have now? Yes, monkey has a long neck like giraffe and trunk of an elephant and body with full of strips like a zebra. Let's see what happens next. He is very happy. He goes to the river to try out his new trunk. He goes to the river to try out his new trunk. He looks down. He sees himself in the water. Mother, he cries, help, a monster. That's not a monster, says his mother. That's you. What happens? When the monkey goes to the river and he was about to take water in his trunk, he was surprised to see the animal. Which animal? Yes, it was the monkey itself. The monkey was having a giraffe's neck, an elephant's trunk, and zebra's strips. Then the monkey cried out for mother's help. Then what happens? Mother says, you want a giraffe's neck, an elephant's trunk, and stripes like zebra. Don't you remember? Little monkey cries and cries. By seeing this, monkey becomes very sad. He starts to cry and cry. Then the monkey says, I look awful. Awful means very bad. Then the monkey says, I look awful. I look very bad. I want to be myself again. Then the monkey says that he wants to be himself again. There is a pop, a bang, and a whiz. Little monkey is himself again. He becomes as earlier. He jumps for joy. He jumps with joy. And what does he do? Yeah. He throws the magic wand into the river. He never wants to be anyone else again. So he threw the magic wand into the river, magic stick into the river. He never wants to be anyone else again. Did you like the story, children? Did you understand it? Now let's move on to new words. First word is strong. Powerful, meaning powerful. Wand, a long thick stick. Wand, a long thick stick. Wishes, want to do something. Wishes, want to do something. Trunk, long flexible body part of an elephant. Long flexible body part of an elephant. Monster, ugly looking creature. Monster, ugly looking creature. Blow, flow of air. Blow, flow of air. Now let's read some words. Want, W-A-N-T, want. Two, T-O-2. Bee, B-E, bee. Big, B-I-G, big. Says, S-A-Y-S, says. Little, little. Strong, strong. Monkey, M-on-key, monkey. Now let's read the words once again. Want, to be big, says, little, strong, monkey. Let's read some more words. Long, neck, trunk. Zebra, strips. Monster, monster. Cries, cries. Water, water. Let's read the words once again. Long, trunk, neck, zebra, strips, cries, monster, water. Can you also read these words like this? Write and study these words, and also try to read the story by yourself with your parents' help. So let's stop here. Be good, do good, study well. Thank you.